Hindi ka naman sa base.
Meron, bago yung suot ko. Bago lahat. Welcome. Welcome to China po. Welcome to China. Welcome to Bangal na. Hi mga kakaps. Oh my God, we have an international 18 right here. What's your name?
Natalie.
Natalie, where are you from?
California.
California. We're from Davao. Walay. Walay. Oh my God, mga kaps. I don't know how many times I have said, oh my God, but this is really an oh my God moment for me. It's my first ever SB19 concert and it's this freaking close. Good morning mga kakaps ko. We're actually approaching na the arena talaga. Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog. Ayan oh, ayan na arena stadium na yan dyan oh. Tapos ayan. Philippine Arena na talaga siya. Ayan na, andito na talaga kami. Ang bilis lang.
Wala silang ano? Ito?
Ito, parang may toll.
Exit pala to.
Exit. By the exit pala yung arena. No. Ay, good luck dito sa may to.
Dito.
Good luck talaga dito papasok pag exit dito later. Pero wala. Ano pa tayo, medyo maputla pa. Wala pang kolorete sa mukha. Hayaan mo na. Pero andito na kami. It's currently, anong oras na te? 7:20. Ang bilis lang ng biyahe galing Marulas, Valenzuela kasi nag-expressway lang kami. So, maaga yung call time ng mga exhibitors. That's why andito kami ng 7:20 kasi hanggang 9 o'clock lang yung entrance ng exhibitor sa fan zone. So, see you hindi na ako magsasabi ng see you kasi makikita nyo tong vlog na to after na ng concert. Siguro, June 1 yun na makikita to. Pero, sa lahat ng mga makikita ko, sa lahat ng nag-claim ng mga freebies, sana nagustuhan nyo. At sana, di ba, nag-enjoy tayong lahat sa concert ng SB19. Day 1. At saka day 2. Kita-kita kids tayo mga kaps. Wala, andito na talaga kami. Ate. Andito na talaga. Andito na, Caps. Boss, bababa na kami.
Na fan zone.
And yun, naka-tent na yung fan zone. Magta-try ako mag-vlog. Para sa inyo mga Caps.
Blue talaga yung
Wala po kasi kami ribbon kanina. Shoelace po yung
Shoelace?
nakita ko. Ay,
Dapat po talaga shoelace yung i-ribbon namin kasi yun yung light blue.
Pero navy blue po.
Navy.
At least blue.
Oo nga, at least blue siya. So lahat ng mga sasakyan today, Caps, merong may blue ribbon talaga para identification na
Green tayo, may green yung isa.
Meron lang mga fans tayo.
maaga, uy, Diyos ko, mga Ken fan, mga Ken.
Naka-uniform.
Oo, of course, Ken fans, dedicated. O, diba?
Na.
Baka sila. Ayan merong nandumating ng mga fans. Baka exhibitor din yan. Tapos yung mga sasakyan, mga Caps, ayan meron ng mga blue na mga ribbons. O, diba? Identification niya na itong mga sasakyan na to mag-a-attend ng SB19 concert. Ang ganda ng freebies ng Dayback 18 Korea. Hello mga Caps.
Hi,
Ano po mga pangalan nyo, Caps?
Hi, I'm Jem. Hi, I'm Ika.
Diba? Ito yung mga freebies nila. Diba? Sa mga nakakuha nito, by Monday, ma-upload tong vlog. Congratulations. May pagganito sila. Ang galing. Anong laman ito, Caps? Ito?
You can check po. There's a light stick, hand banner, assorted,
galing.
facial mask. What's called this?
Ang generous ng 18 Korea.
Yes.
Talaga naman.
And hand cream from Korea.
Char! Sa mga makakakuha niyan, or nakakuha niyan, masaya ba kayo? Of course, masaya yan. Talagang pinilit At saka sa 18 China, ito, mga round fans, at saka may mga may photo cards tayo dyan. Buti pa yung Korea, may pa-banner sila dyan. Yung
Diba?
18 China,
This is how empty the
wala,
fan zone
nga.
was before you guys
Ready
came.
na yung table
table
Grabe,
namin.
kami-kami lang
Ayan.
dyan. Nagpe-prepare ng mga
Yung
booth at
round fans
table.
ng 18 China, cards, Pablo. Yung nanalo na giveaway ng 18 China, nasa na yung mga giveaway? I-claim nila. Andito.
안녕하세요. 우리는 대박 18 코리아입니다. 오늘 우리 18 차이나 함께 SB19 시뮬라토와 가스키커 풀 투어 데이 1 콜랩하고 있습니다. 네. 콜랩하고 있습니다. 시뮬라토와 가스키커 오케이.
Go.
안녕하세요. 우리는 대박 18 코리아입니다. 오늘 우리 함께 18
你好，这是18 China，我们欢迎你们。
Welcome to 18 China. Still ahead.
Which one po yung pwede?
Yan po lahat pwede. Isa lang po. Welcome. Hi! Hello po. Thank you. Ako nakabili ka naman sa bed. Meron bago. Bago yung suot ko. Bago lahat. Sushi po. Two lines po. Welcome to China po. Welcome to China. Welcome to 18. Bangat na.
Ito China.
Welcome to 18 China.
China dito.
Bi, malapit na ka matapos, Bi.
Oo, tutulungan kita.
Ano na, pahinga kayo. Hello po.
dahil di ko naiwan ng panty bra. Hindi ko na kinaya mga Caps, hindi ko na kinaya. Tinutulungan na ako ng Dayback 18 Korea. So thank you talaga sa 18 Dayback Korea for helping me. Kasi ako lang mag-isa. Yung mga kapatid ko nasa labas, tutulungan nila ako later na.
We're from Walay. Basta.
Wala na may freebies pangatag ba?
Ready na siya for Stel.
Siya.
Ready? Ayan, mga bias sila from Davao. Nag-unite ang mga Bisaya. diri, o,
Bisaya
diba?
ganyan.
Bisaya ganyan.
Domination.
O, diba? Sige na, babay na. Davao na sila. I-follow nila Twitter. Kung saan yung Twitter?
Mena 8995.
O, dayon.
Maggie 478.
O, dayon.
At AAHBBHHYY, Abby.
Mauna to. I-post na lang ninyo. Ayan. Hello po. Sino po? Susan Lorraine. Ito po. Kuha ko isa. Same lang. Ayan, may strapping area dito yung VIP. Standing, seated. Ayan, may mga signages naman. Pagdating nyo dito, in fairness, okay naman. Medyo organized yung Live Nation. Grabe. Nanggigitata na. Hulas na yung makeup ko mga Caps. But, happy that I'm here. Ay. I need the hangin. Thank you po. Ay, sorry. Sorry po. Thank you.
Wait, miss. Strap.
Right. Ay, ito na lahat ng freebies. Tapos may, ayan na. Grabe. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Sobrang pagod ako mga Caps ko. Sorry. Hindi masyadong thorough yung video ko ngayon. Pero I'm really trying my best. You look good! Wow, Justin! Grabe. Ay, grabe. Fashion show ito mga kakapso. Grabe oh. B. Pulang-pula ako, B. Ayan, maraming mga signages. Pagkaakyat nyo dito, may pila na yan mga VIP standing. Ayan. Ayan. May mga pagkain sa loob mga kakaps ko. So, pwede kayong kumain dito. Ayan oh. Doon banda may mga snacks. Ito may mga hotdog. official merchandise store over here. Laki. Ayan. Ayan, may mga merch dito. May hoodie na 1,700, t-shirt 1,100, at saka hat na 1,000. So, yan. So, ito na. Dito na. VIP seated. Dala-dala ko yung art ni Frame from 18 China. So, I'm gonna try and have it signed by Ken. I already placed one of the fan art in the gift box of Ken. Pero ito, itatry natin tong ipasign kay Ken. So, kung hindi nyo alam yung gagawin, may mga need assistance sa mga signage na ganyan. Approach nyo sila kasi alam nila yung gagawin. Alam nila kung saan kayo pupunta. So, may mga designated na mga upuan. So, dyan. So, expected na uupo kayo sa sahig. So, sa mga nakapalda dyan, good luck. Ayan, upo. Ayan. Kasi, number yung mga sahig. At saka, may mga mag-a-assist sa inyo kung saan kayo uupo. Opo. Walang magawa. Ganito talaga dito. Upo sa sahig while waiting for the gates to open for VIP seated. Yun. Bukas, lower box na kami. So, ibang gate naman. For VIP seated, makakatanggap kayo ng ganito. Lahat naman makakatanggap ng ganito. Tapos, ito. Ayan, strap. At saka, photo card. At saka, ito. Yan, VIP. May nakalagay na VIP. Diba? So, yun lahat yung matatanggap nyo if VIP seated kayo. Hi mga kagabs! Oh my God, we have an international 18 right here. What's your name?
Natalie,
Natalie, where are you from?
California.
California. When did you arrive here?
Yesterday.
Oh my God, how's the jet lag?
It wasn't too bad. They were graveyard shifts, so it wasn't too bad.
Okay. Okay, where are you staying now? Are you staying in one of the hotels? Okay. So, my God, and she is the reason why the mom became an 18 as well. How did you become an 18?
Gento.
Oh, Gento era. Wow. Then how did you manage to get your mom into the fandom?
By talking about them every single day, 24/7.
Wow, I'm
Forcing
proud
her
of
to
you.
watch videos, and I did.
Did you force her to come join?
Yep.
The-
I did. I was gonna come by myself, and she said
Oh
no.
my God! Look at you.
Yeah.
What's your name, by the way?
Easy.
Easy. Welcome to the Philippines. My God, how long are you guys gonna be staying here for?
Just 1 week.
1 week. That's enough. That's enough.
We will be back at tomorrow's concert too.
Oh, nice.
We're going
Yes,
both
yes,
days.
I'm gonna be here as
Are
well
you?
for day 2. Of course, this is my first time as well. I've been an 18 for 6 years, but this is my first time because I'm based in China. So, yeah, during the pandemic, I wasn't able to come back home,
Yeah.
and then stars did not align for me because of work and personal stuff. And then I was like, this is the biggest comeback yet. I was like, I need to get those stars aligned.
There's no way that I can't watch
Exactly,
it.
exactly.
There's no way.
Exactly. Oh my God, welcome to the Philippines. You guys are so pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, when you see them, please say hi and welcome them. Okay, they're gonna be at the day 1 and at day 2. Okay, we're moving. Oh my God, we're moving now. Ayan, we're moving. Sini-check nila. We're entering. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Lower tier is row 1 to 37. Oh my God. Lower box B is just right above VIP. VIP is right over there. Oh my God.
Labas na lang po natin dito.
We're so close to the stage. We are so close to the stage. Oh my God.
Seat number po sa tabi of the gym. Dito po tayo sa side no. Wala pong umupo sa right side.
So the rows, you will see the rows number on the floor. Di ba po kuya? Ito yung row number. So 30, 29, 24 tayo. Di ba? 24 dun to. We're 24, dun pa tayo. Naka 29 pa. So 24 tayo. Tapos to the left daw yung upuan natin. Oh my God, we're so close. We're so close. We're so close talaga. Oh my God. Oh my God, ito na yun. It's going to be my first ever experience of Mahalima's concert. Talaga naman. Oh my God. Mga Kaps, I don't know how many times I have said, oh my God, but this is really an oh my God moment for me. It's my first ever SB19 concert and it's this freaking close. Grabe, nangingilabot ako. Goosebumps talaga. Oh my God, yung mosh pit. Oh, Diyos ko, yung mosh pit, tingnan mo. Grabe. VIP standing yung mga... Papakita ko sa inyo mga Kaps. Look at that. That's how close we are. That's the mosh pit over there. Ayan.
Thank you.
Oh my God! My God! Tapos may dalawang screen. Isang screen dyan, isang green screen sa kabila. Tatlo pala. Yung tas yung main screen ko. Wow, amazing. So, we entered early because we have a sound check access. So all of the people that you have set, who are here right now have the sound check access. So the mosh pit, the VIP standing, and the VIP seated. I'm not sure if the lower box premium would have a sound check access. Meron ba sila? Lower box premium. Yeah. So oh my God! Announcement pa lang! Ang ganda ng upuan ko, golden. O special golden yung upuan natin mga Kaps. At saka nasa aisle ako, ang ganda ng seat! Gitnang gitna tayo mga Kaps. Sobrang gitna, sobrang lapit. Ang ganda ng view natin. Sobra, sulit tong VIP seated talaga. Kung ako sa inyo, kung ayaw nyong tumayo ng matagal at manakit yung bewang nyo, manakit yung paan nyo, lalo na kapag gusto nyong umawra na naka-heels, naka-dress, mag-VIP seated kayo kasi sobrang ganda. Or kung maswerte kayo, dito kayo maupo sa row 24, seat 236, ganon. Yan, VIP seated kasi sobrang gitna. Kaya, nakaka-excite. Thank you Lord talaga for this opportunity. Salamat Lord. Thank you Lord. Matagal kong inantay ito. Talagang nirecord ko lahat kasi first experience din. Ang daming standing Grabe, ayan. Dami nila. May mga dumadating pa yun. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Grabe yung mosh pit talagang yayamanin yung mga yan. Mga OA talaga, 80. May tumunog lang sa mic. Sumisigaw na agad. Soundcheck pa lang to mga Kaps. Ang OA
Mag-soundcheck. Kami yung sound.
Chine-check nila yung sound ng sigaw natin. Ganon yon. Diyos ko.
Tunog pa lang.
Ang OA, grabe. Announcement nga lang.
Ate, nagulat yung
Gulat na
announcement.
gulat. Ang OA, Diyos ko. Talagang pinanindigan ng 18 na yung pangalan na
Lumabas
OA.
na sila dyan, OA na talaga.
Diyos ko. Samahan ng mga OA na ito. Pagkatapos ng concert, Diyos ko. Ay! Nasaan? Hoy! Josh? Ano ba yun? Bluff? Soundcheck pa lang to. Joke lang daw yun. Joke.
Joke lang ba? Okay.
Joke lang yun. Testing, testing, mic test.
Kapag ako na, nagpakawala, baka ikaw pa maghahanap nila. Para, Kakain muna natin sila lahat. Grabe! I just want to say it's great to be back here, pero for our concert. Diba? That's right. Excited ako ngayon.
18, are you ready? 18, are you ready? Wow, we are also ready for tonight. We prepared so much, and as you can see, do you guys like the stage?
Yes!
You're in for a treat tonight.
Yeah, of course!
Do you guys want to say something?
We love you!
So,
How excited are you guys? Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited?
Yes, for your information, that's why we kind of speak in English from time to time because we heard that there are fans from all over the world. That's all. Thank you.
how about you? You want to say something?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ay, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito. Soundcheck namin. And, you know, I'm excited to you guys are having fun. Right now. Kasi meron pa kami dalawang kanta. Soundcheck para sa inyong lahat. So yeah,
Are you
simulan
guys
naman
ready for
natin.
the next song? Are you guys ready for the next song? Okay, this time we give you Bazinga. Let's go. No, not Bazinga. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. This time we give you. It goes a little something like this.
Sing along with us.
Please believe in me. Many things we can control. It's natural. No one's really in control. Live a little 'cause we know. So it's stuck inside my never-ending dream. I hope you know it's better to try. Darling, we push us to stop. If we don't raise it up, drinking over, still alive. All I can I hope you know it's better to try.
Are you excited to party with us? Do you promise to dance with us? Do you promise to sing with us? Are you sure, 18? Are you sure? Okay. So because everyone is very hyped up, let's continue this, okay? Are you ready for the last song? Let's do this.
All right, yeah. Huwag ka na sana pa mawawala mag ako yung minupa, hindi pa na wala kasi nga. You are my freedom. Don't know who sent you here. Not mad you welcome there. You are my freedom. Baka di ko mapayanin, mapalit pa sa iyo. Kapayapaan kita, ako'y malaya ngayon kasi nga. Nagpapasalamat, di mapaliwanag. I can fly away, I'm taking you with me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
This is our first time to have our solo concert here in the Philippine Arena. And we're just so excited to show you what we prepared for many, many months. Excited ba kayo lahat? Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mapapanood nyo sa totoo lang.
We are very excited to perform tonight for you guys. Thank you for making this dream come true. And to all our international fans right now, thank you so much for coming here and experiencing Simula at Wakas with us tonight. Are you guys ready to experience Simula at Wakas? Are you guys ready?
What songs are you excited to hear?
Lahat. Lahat daw, lahat.
Everything?
All songs? All songs? Yes! Eh, 6 lang yun eh. 6. Are you excited to hear the 6 songs?
Of course!
Yeah, we will perform the 6 songs.
6 songs only.
All over again. Yes, all over again.
Budol!
Yes.
So yeah, 18,
Alright.
please reserve your energy, reserve your voice because mamaya mag-iingay tayo ng sobra. Okay ba yun? Mag-iingay tayo mamaya, okay? Alright. But for now, we need to prepare and go backstage. So see you guys later, okay? Mamaya, babalikan namin kayo. Mamaya, okay? Mamaya. Promise, promise.
Thank you guys. See you later.
Thank you all so much. See you later. Bye-bye. We love you. Bye.
I'm taking you with me.
Ako, magwawala tayo mamaya.
Dito natin. Let's see.
Bye, 18. See you later. Thank you.
Manok! Ang cute ni Justin.
Andito si Coach Jay, guys. Hello po! Hello po!
Ay, thank you.
Congrats po! Congrats! Ay! Ayun, grabe. Dumaan si Coach Jay. Grabe, nakaka-proud.